Welcome back. Former President Jacob Zuma's legal team have filed an urgent letter trying to delay his arrest. They want the Constitutional Court to bar the police from arresting him pending the outcome of a court ruling on Friday. That's when the High Court in Pietermaritzburg will rule on his bid for a stay of arrest. For more on this, I'm joined by Ulrich Roux, a legal expert. Ulrich, thanks for your time. We appreciate it. So we saw these papers emerge later on this evening. I have to ask you whether you think the Constitutional Court is even giving it any consideration at this hour.
Hi, good evening, Shahan. Yes, certainly it seems too little too late in my opinion. It is purely a letter addressed to the Constitutional Court. It is not an application. There's nothing that forces the Con Court to read it or to even respond to it at this stage. So, yes, I think it's a last grasp attempt by the legal team, and I cannot see it succeeding on any legal grounds.
And then the question is why they didn't approach the Constitutional Court with this matter previously. They went to the High Court in Pietermaritzburg. Yes, exactly.
So, that is the issue that was raised yesterday as well in the Pietermaritzburg High Court. If Jacob Zuma wanted to stay the Constitutional Court order handed down, then he should have approached the Constitutional Court for an order which directs it to do so. He should not have approached the Pietermaritzburg High Court because simply the Pietermaritzburg High Court does not have the jurisdiction to make such an order. So, yes, I mean, as we sit here now, 2 hours before the Minister of Police's deadline ends, the Constitutional Court order handed down last week, Tuesday, still stands. Jacob Zuma should have handed himself over to the police by midnight on Sunday. He did not do so, and accordingly, the Minister of Police and the Police Commissioner must do everything within their powers to arrest him within the next 3 calendar days, and that expires at 12 o'clock tonight. So that order stands. It is an order of our highest court in our country, and it must be adhered to. And it must be acted upon by the Minister of Police and the Police Commissioner, or they will also be in contravention of a Constitutional Court order and accordingly in contempt of that order.
All right, thank you so much for your time and your insight. Appreciate it. Ulrich Roux, a legal expert, speaking to us. We will continue.